We're preparing the utensils to make fried panades. These are salmon panades. This is a hashed salmon ready to go inside of the panades. This is the hot oil, getting nice and ready. And this is the dough made out of flour to make masa. It's called maseca, right, Cheryl? And I'll put it on video right now. This is what we use, maseca. Okay, so we go back to the kitchen, and it's just gonna be here for 1 second because it's just gonna start fuming, and the alarm is gonna go. That's how you flatten the tortilla. Then you fill it up with nice hashed salmon. And my wife is making it real nice and fat so that when I eat it, I'm not only eating the masa, but I'm eating the actual fish. Excellent. See how she carefully closes in and makes the panada shape. Kind of like a beef patty, but in this case is a fish patty. And then from there, we're gonna go to the frying pan. And look at that beauty. Voila. I'm gonna go and turn on the air so that we don't get the alarm going off like crazy. So this is it basically. You were able to witness how the panades are filled with hashed salmon. I'm supposed to make it with tuna. A lot of people are usually are used to filling it up with tuna fish as opposed to salmon, which I don't like. I really like the flavor of the salmon. There's the next one coming up. Beautiful. Look how easy it is. How easy my wife makes it look. And then there comes the filling again. We're gonna make sure that these panades are turned and ready. Alright, you got it. This is all we have for you. This is the first panada out of many that we're going to be preparing today. Thank you.